Hey everyone, I'm Peter Loshak from SportsbookReview.com, and with football season getting underway right now and everyone looking to get loaded up and funded at various sports books, one of the important things that a lot of people like to take advantage of at this time of year are the generous bonuses that a lot of sports books like to offer at the beginning of football season. So to help everyone out, SBR has put together a chart listing and comparing the current bonus offers from most of the major sports books right now. The chart lists all the key info that you need to know about the bonuses, which is the percentage of the deposit that they give you, whether it's a cash bonus or free play, the maximum amount for the bonus, and the rollover requirement, and of course, the chart also includes the SBR rating for each book. You can find this chart by going to sportsbookreview.com and clicking on the link labeled bonuses in the box in the upper left-hand corner of the page, and you can use the chart to easily compare the various bonuses being offered right now and decide which ones are best for you.